Frida, stop. Back. Back. Sit. Good girl. Met these two before, yes. So she's mum, and like in the morning she just winds him up because she's got so much energy, and then go, and then he. Frida, calm down. Frida, stop. Back. Back. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Let's go. Come. Yeah, sit. Come. Good girl. Let's go. Easy. Easy. No such thing as loose lead walk. No. 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 Leash is getting slightly looser, Felix. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. Hey, Olive. Alright. No, he's at home. I can't walk them together because this one's reactive. Yeah, so that's his mum. He's fine sort of a little, but yeah, he can just be a bit like aggressively reactive to other male dogs, and so I don't want Winston picking up any more of the bad habits. Relax, Felix.
That's what I worry about. Whenever I mind other people's dogs, I mind people with disabilities dogs.
Yeah.
Diabetes or Alzheimer's or
Yeah.
epilepsy.
You are soaking, love.
Going in again, you're dirty.
Yeah, you need to get into the clean bottom bit.
Hurt the wall. I just
Yeah.
lay there,
Yeah.
you know.
Thanks for that, Maya.
And you know, when you see if I'm not a diabetic dog, I would put my weight below
You stay.
because some of them don't want the injections.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So it's just all. You're jumping, especially now you've been in the river. You rascal. Stop. You know what I mean? Yeah. She's the devil. I think you've met these two before, yes. She's she's and like in the morning she just winds him up because she's got so much energy, and then he's reactive on the leads. So I can't walk. I don't want to walk them. Exactly, and that's why I don't walk him with Winston anymore as well, because I don't want Winston picking up on it. Right? Yeah. Yeah, like. Yeah. Wait. Good dogs. Yeah. Good girl. Wait. Easy, Felix. Yes. Stop. Was that a nice scratch? Look, let me get this off from around you. Good boy. Good girl, welcome. No. Good dogs. That way. Good girl. Yes. Go. You gotta get your belly, Frida, because you don't shake. Good dogs. Frida. Oops, sorry, love. Come here. Frida, come. Good girl. Yeah. Get a little bit of your belly. Try and dry you off a little bit. Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah. For as good as it is. You want to go and see Winston now? There's a Winston. Oh, good dogs. Yes, good dogs.